elevated till we're levitating, and you know that I've been dreaming about you, girl. No, it ain't a mystery, so take me home. I want you to take me home. Take me